Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I've got a short and sweet video for you to show you an item of jewellery that I've been sent. I thought it'd be the perfect time of year to show you this piece of jewellery because obviously we have Christmas coming up and people are starting to buy gifts now. I am myself, so you know, it's really nice to find some websites online that you may not have heard of, or that do some really nice jewellery pieces that you can buy for your loved ones. So this company is called KARATIVA, so it's like this, and yeah, they do some really beautiful pieces. And not only that, but they come so beautifully presented as well. So this is the outer packaging of the actual necklace itself. It's a necklace, obviously, and the packaging itself is all planet friendly, so that's really good for a start. And then we open up the box, and inside we have this little pouch just here. And in that pouch you get a little thank you card, which is absolutely lovely. And then inside we have all of our instructions about how to take care of our jewellery as well. There's also a little greeting card in there as well, so if you are going to buy this for a gift, you can pop a little note on there too, which is a nice touch. And then in that pouch as well, we also get a little cleaning cloth so that we can take care of our piece of jewellery, you know, keep it nice and clean and shiny. And then inside we have this really lovely box. I think this is absolutely beautiful. And then there's a little pull out slidey bit at the side just here, so we can pull that out. And then inside there's actually a little leather pouch in there, well, it's a leatherette pouch in there as well, with a little button on it that you can keep your jewellery in, which I think is really cute. And then inside we have our jewellery itself. So this is my necklace. Obviously it says Clare on it and it's rose gold. You can get rose gold, you can get silver, or you can get normal standard gold as well. This is a necklace and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Really nice. I love the little delicate chain on it, and obviously my name's on there, which I think is actually printed really beautiful as well. You can get different lengths of chain. I chose an 18-inch length, but there was 16 up to 22 or 24, I believe, that you could choose. But I think this is a beautiful length of chain. And then on the clasp itself, we have a little claw grip. So we've got this kind of little claw just here on the clasp as well. So I like those because I find them quite easy, you know, rather than the round ones. I think these are a lot easier to do up yourself. So at the beginning of the video, I mentioned the packaging, and I didn't just mean the beautiful packaging that I just showed you that it's presented in. You also get this absolutely stunning gift box. This is weighty. It is really weighty, but how beautiful would that be to give to a loved one? So you can get different colours again. I chose pink, and in this box there is a special treat for you. So there's a couple of treats. So we're going to open up the box. And then it comes out like this. And then we have a little rose on the top just here. So we've got a little rose. And then there's a little drawer section just here. There's a note. You don't have to have this on there. You can have whatever you want on there. I think there's a few selections of messages on there. This one just says, best wishes. A friend is a loving companion at all times. And then it's got a little drawer. Which has a really cute little tune of You Are My Sunshine. It's kind of like, it's a bit of a country and western style one, but yeah, it's really cool. So I thought that was such a nice touch, really sweet. And as I say, it would be lovely to give to a loved one. Really nice, but it is weighty. So yeah, there we go. I just wanted to show you that. I thought it was just so cute and really nice. And as I say, perfect for this time of year if you're looking to buy gifts for Christmas as well. So as always, I will link the products in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.